Hello, everybody. I'm going to bring you a couple of stories here. This one, in particular, Danielle Yvonne Slaughter allegedly used scissors to stab, kill daughter, citing evil presence. Kind of ironic that it says evil presence. Right next to it is a picture of this man. um, no, but with all that aside, um, when I read portions of this article, it's going to you're going to see something, and I'm going to really pinpoint on it. We see the little headline down here. Danielle Yvonne Slaughter, 27, allegedly stabbed her 6-year-old daughter to death with a pair of scissors after hearing her daughter speak in an evil voice. And it says the frenzied woman was shedding clothes as she ran barefoot, bloody and screaming through northwest Las Vegas. When police said they caught up with her, she was naked. Her name was Danielle, she said, and the blood on her hands was from the Lamb of God. Okay. And it goes on. I'll post a link before, or below in the description box. It goes on, and then after investigators were questioning her, she said, "Did I kill my daughter? Is she dead?" Um, and where's it at? Slaughter refused Wednesday to leave her jail bed for her first court appearance on a murder charge. An angry judge reset arraignment for Friday and told a jail supervisor by closed-circuit video that he wants Slaughter brought forcibly to court if necessary. Uh, they're doing a psychological evaluation on her. Um, and then here is what I really wanted to concentrate on. Is this paragraph right here. In a recent interview with police early Monday, Slaughter told investigators she had been having trouble sleeping since she started taking the weight loss product Hydroxycut 4 days earlier and had slept just 1 hour the night before. She was found in the streets. She said she had been feeling an evil presence for several days. Now, keep in mind, she was taking this Hydroxycut. Where is this stuff from? Well, obviously, it's from Big Pharma. And if you look at the word sorcery in the Bible, pharmaceutical. If you look at the word sorcery or witchcraft, it is pharmakia, and it comes from pharmaceutical. So, um, and then obviously, the press or the mainstream would say that it was not clear that the product was to blame, even though there's been a lot of cases. Um, not I haven't heard so much of weight loss drugs, but like with the psycho the the mental drugs or whatever, um, have caused people to think in odd ways and everything like that while taking them, while they were on them. So I believe almost 100% um, that a pharmaceutical drug possibly opened a door and planted these thoughts. Um, because I mean, it's just odd, you know. But anyways, that's the article for that. Now, we had some severe weather reported in Michigan that came through, and obviously there were tornadoes reported. Um, I'm going to take you to a video here. This is from Ann Arbor, or Dexter, near Ann Arbor. And you can see it right here. And apparently there were 3 tornadoes reported. Um, in the state of Michigan. Uh, with one of them being here in Ann Arbor, near Ann Arbor, and the other two um, non-confirmed in Monroe County or Lapeer, and one in Monroe County. And these are the images for the one in Monroe County. You see right there. And this is another image of it. Now, Dexter was the hardest hit. There was a house destroyed, a lot of homes damaged, but thankfully no injuries as of yet. There's no injuries reported. This is the article right here. Tornado ripped through a rural southeastern Michigan community Thursday, damaging or demolishing many homes, downing trees and power lines, sparking fires and flooding neighborhood roads. And it goes on and tells more about it. There are unconfirmed reports of tornadoes touching down in Monroe County, Ida Township, and northwest Lapeer County, near Columbiaville, where trees and power lines had been down. Meteorologist Emma Stotson said the storm packed wind gusts up to 70 miles an hour in Lapeer County and 2-inch hail. So it was quite the nasty storm that ripped through Michigan and further down south. This is going to be current here. And this is what's left of what came through. And this is what's coming through Indiana, Kentucky, and Tennessee, and Georgia. There's another strong cell forming here in Illinois and Missouri, in this region. So it looks like Kentucky's going to get hit again. So take a look and see where these storms are moving. So it's quite the little system we have going on here. As we can see, we have another system brewing off here in the west. So looks like it could be an active week coming up, and an active night. So stay safe, guys. And truth be told, truth be known. And articles will be posted below. So, alright guys, take it easy. Bye-bye.